Insanity day 40. This is the max interval circuit day. Yes, it done. I got it finished. It was one of those days when I never really wanted to do the workout. Like, me did just tired and the day did reach far and it did hot and we couldn't bother. And I was like, I could just let today slide because I've done 3 days in a row. And then I'm like, Carla, what type of motivation is that? Or what type of motivator are you when you're going to let yourself off for doing 3 days in a row in a workout that you're supposed to do 6 days in a row? So I get up and do the workout. Originally, I thought I was supposed to be doing two things today. The second one being the abs one. Sometimes when you have them data where the abs one just jump on the end and you just want to punch Shanti because you're like, why you think I could angle two? Anyways, it's only one I have to do. For your information, this is how I keep track of my workouts. I have made the background image on my computer the insanity schedule. That is how sickening me and this insanity thing is. Do it. It's good, especially if you travel and you don't have time to carry the big giant booklet that them give you here. So for today, what I want to leave with you, this is my face when Shanti said that it's time to the pause strikes. Pause strikes, the one where you just have thumb, so you have thumb here. When him say it's time to the pause strike, come on, we can do it. This is my face when Shanti tell me that it is time for me to do the full body circuit thing. Followed by, but I him feel like I do that. Him expect me to do like a push up, then like a in and out ab, then like some oblique something, and then like some walking push up. What is it that I look out at? I am not Edward Scissorhands, nor am I Frankenstein, nor am I R2D2. I'm not made out of anything that other people are made out of. I am made out of skin and blood and flesh and those types of things. My skin, blood, and flesh don't do those things yet, but we'll get there. And yesterday I turned into the machine, Shanti, I am stalking you down to one of them big symposium where you have and me run you down wrong. That entire gym or arena would spot you there. So you just wait for me. I'm coming. I'm not a competitive person, but you do me bad. And you're gonna learn. Anyways, big up to everybody in Team More Fitness. Everybody who's doing well on their 8GD channel. 8 glasses a day. That's a team challenge for the week. 8 glasses of water a day. You know some people drink all like 1.5 liter before 9 o'clock. Roll around. Good luck to you on the bathroom. Some of us don't have that type of access, and some of us don't necessarily like just drink water like that. Anyway, 8 glasses a day. Do it. May I do it? I'm onto my 8 glass for the day, and it actually make you feel better and make your body look better and your skin, and then your sweat and a burn. You need the toxins to come out somehow. Unfortunately, you have to piss them out. That's just the way it is. So do it. Drink 8 glasses a day. Otherwise, join More Fitness, or if you're on a team already, get in with the team and work out and do it. I'll put the link to More Fitness down here. I'll give you some more information on some coaching stuff that I am associated with coming soon, or actually presently in the works, but I will give you more details as they come. Otherwise, big up to yourself, big up to your body, love the body that you're in now, and look forward to the one where you got inner. Swim gala better you can do this. I don't know where that comes from. Sometimes it just comes out of me. Anyways, see you tomorrow. I'm a hot streak. What's that? That's like 4 days in a row. Get like me, yo. Motivated and motivating people. People motivating. I'm gonna go now. Goodbye.